Hey Steeler, XLM holder, if I tell you to end July, especially in July, that will make you a millionaire, that will make you a rich man, and that will take a very huge jump now. So I think I am 100% right, because after my research, my friend, I found this, my friend, what I talked to you in this. So kindly, just in only this video is going to be very branded now. So kindly, you need to don't skip any second and understand better now, my brother. So last 3 months chart is on the screen, and absolutely, if I explain this chart, you also tell me to really this is possible, my friend, and absolutely they will do this easily now. So let's get started. It's brand new, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, Steeler XLM holder. My brother, as you can see, my friend, especially after April 17, you can see, my friend, after May, they will fall down. But definitely after this, my friend, they will take a very huge jump now. May 3 to May 20, as you can see, my friend, they will completely in the go in the moon now. But after this jump, they also falls down and completely they falls down. So therefore, the lost minus 33.25%. The price is decreased now. It's mean to this coin is completely in the loss now in last 3 months. But absolutely, my friend, as you if we check out, my friend, in the last just only last 1 month chart and last 7 days and last 3 days, then we better understand. It's mean always during this month is also they face down. Let's check out the last 7 days chart. Oh my goodness, in last 7 days this coin is starting moving upward. This is the main reason, my friend, because this is the end of month, and try to understand at the end of month every graphical will take a very huge jump now. So therefore this coin is also starting moving upward now. If I tell you, my brothers, to this time 6.19%, this is very good profit. So I think, my friend, absolutely this is very good profit, because all currencies is falls down and every coin is completely in the loss. So therefore I think this is very good profit now, and absolutely good change occur now. Let's see, my brothers, to Steeler XLM what they do. My prediction is completely positive because last 3 months this coin is completely falls down. So therefore I know to in the next month, my friends, you can see, my friends, they will starting moving upward now. So I know, my friends, to upcoming time they will moving upward now, and they will give you a very good profit now. Let's see, but kindly subscribe this channel, and I 100% people trust on ABS channel, they are all subscribed. So while you are waiting, please subscribe this channel and also like this video.